this video, bad things happened. Well, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do this. We went out for a ride last week, and a bunch of things happened that weren't good. So this is actually not from last week. This little bit of video is to capture what went wrong. First off, we're taking our last group ride of the season, and that was going to be to go to some cider mills and also to capture some colors here in Michigan because it's pretty pretty out. Pretty pretty, yeah. So we were going to be doing that. We had a small group of Indian motorcycles taking a ride. And right after we started the ride, I had an issue with my GoPro. And I lost all kinds of footage. And in the end, when I finally got it to work, I lost my audio for my outro. So, yeah, GoPros, go figure. But that wasn't the major thing that went wrong. What really went wrong was we had a breakdown of one of the bikes while we were out on the road. But what I wanted to talk to you about, I will show you. We got an intro to the last group ride of the season. Then the breakdown happens. Hopefully I've captured enough to kind of show you how we took care of the issue and got the bike back on the road again. And so let's go into the video now.
Well, we're out for a short little ride today. This is probably the last ride of the season, and this one's a Cider Mill ride. So we've got a few friends out here, and if you notice, yeah, we've got pretty much all Indians here, so that's gonna be cool. We're gonna go to a cider mill up north of here, probably about 40 miles, and then yeah, this will be our last ride of the season. So we're starting at this cider mill right here called Paint Creek. I don't know if you can see that. I'll zoom in. Okay, let's get going.
I'm not sure if this is on or not, but we're almost there, so I just thought I'd turn it on. The leaves are actually really nice in this area. We're coming close to a small town, and we're going to make one more turn here, and let's see, that would be up here in just a little bit.
Take next right.
So we'll turn right here. This should take us up to the cider mill proper. We're out in farmland here. Everybody's still behind me. Yep. Wish I had a camera hooked up on the back here so you can see the bikes behind me, but oh well. Alright, so we're almost there. We'll be there in a minute. Let's see, has it warmed up? Oh, it warmed up 1 degree. It's survival of the fittest out here today. I put my chaps on for the first time, and God knows how long that's been. And I've got the lowers on my bike. That blocks the wind. Okay, we're almost there. Here we are. This is the place. Alright, this looks pretty good. Let's see where we can park. Hopefully we can park where there's some pavement. Alright, looks like a nice little place. Can we park right in here? It's only temporary for about a little bit. Alright, good. I didn't mean to yell. Okay, well, we made it. Let's see if anyone else pulls in here. Okay, we got everyone's coming in. That'll be good. Now let's see. That's off. That's off. That's off. Good. Stick that. All right, we're all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 total. Okay. Oh, you didn't want to park with us? We left them a spot. Okay, so what we're doing is trying to put a little barrel on the end of the cable. It broke off right down here.
I've got 2 little barrels like this that you can use the Allen wrenches on, and you're going to end up feeding your line in through there and jamming it. On the other side, I've got one of these that uses a regular Phillips head. If you'd rather have 2 barrels, I've got 2 tools. And the idea is you torque them in as tight as you can to get them to smash in.
Okay, so
Yes,
this
sir,
is
Allen wrenches.
that's a broken
One
one.
moment, please. Let me get another.
We're doing the best we can. We're trying to get a little more slack in the cable so we can put the barrel on the end and see if we can get home that way. If not, then I'm gonna hang around here. We're gonna release some of these other bikes, go on their merry way. But yeah, I'm gonna stick around till we get them all set, and if we can get them limping home, I'm gonna follow them home, make sure that everything's good.
I'm a fast learner.
There you go.
So we loosened that bolt, took the clutch cable down, popped that little clip out right there, took the clutch cable out, attached the new end, just a couple of Allen keys, and now just time to put it in the lever.
We're doing a test. It looks like it's working. All right. Okay. Okay. You guys are awesome.
Good teamwork.
Good. You guys are awesome. All right. I'm going to follow you all the way home. Okay. Do you want to lead us back, Boo?
What do I mean?
What?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. We'll follow you.
So, as you saw there, we did get Mike back on the road again. And what I'm going to do is down below, I'm going to show you where you can get the little barrels for your cable to fix the cable. Hopefully, you will be able to get them too. Did come to find out that it's the same barrel as at both ends of the cable, but the one that's on the, if it breaks up at the lever, you have to file it down, and you have to put smaller set screws in it. So the one that's at the engine end, the clutch itself, that one there actually is, it fits pretty good. So make sure you lube it. You can usually feel a little bit of lube on your kickstand. There might be a little bit you can kind of rub off from there, and then put that on the barrel when you put it in. So you just want to make sure that you lube it. But we got them all set. We followed him, a couple of us followed him all the way home to make sure that he didn't break down on the road. Now his bike is home. Now he can go and order a new cable and just swap out this one. And then he can take the little barrels off of it, and he can throw that sucker into his bag, and he'll have that for next time it breaks down on the road. Now I'll tell you, one thing that I did is, first thing I did is when I got home is I lubed my cable. Make sure you lube your cable. and hopefully you won't have that issue. So, until next time,